Ngatho cia mwanya kunyitana ithuĩ mĩaraho mĩega na mĩrathime ya tarĩki 11 mweri ni wa gathathano ũmũthĩ rĩrĩo tũrakemia ciĩgiĩ bajeti ya mwaka wa 2026 na 2027. Nĩ ngatho nĩnjĩta Wairimu wa Wanjiru nake mũtwathĩrĩri na njĩra ya ciko etagwo kana gwĩtwo Vivian Wagici. Na tũkĩambĩrĩria aikari a Kapsa Oth gũkũ nĩ kaunti ya Kericho maraikara na hahũ thutha wa gĩcunjĩ kĩmwe kĩa mũgũnda kũgĩa na ituĩka ria tĩri. Rĩu maĩ nĩ mambĩtie kũingĩra thĩinĩ wa nyũmba imwe cia andũ kũrĩa angĩ mahoire ũraro na makiugĩte ũndũ ũyũ wathiĩ na mbere na kũrĩ na kĩrĩma mwena ũcio nĩ magũkorwo ũgwati-inĩ mũnene kũrĩa mahoete ũteithio wa naihenya.
Hii ndio shamba la mzazi ambao imetokea jambo kama hili. Kusema kweli imepasuka kuanzia pale hadi imeenda hadi pale mwisho na imekuwa kitu cha kushangaza.
Siku hii shamba ilipasuka, hata sisi tumestuka sana. Tuliona hii kitu kama kitu kidogo, lakini sasa imepasuka kabisa, hakuna baadhi ya kukanyaga. Tunaona sasa hii kitu itapasuka kabisa na itamaliza hii shamba yote.
Ukiteremka pale chini kwa nyumba ya mama, kuna maji imetokea pale na pale chini pia kuna pali imekatika.
Naamka asubuhi ninakuja kuona rejo kama bado yuko kwa sababu inji inateremka huko chini. Na kuelekea huko nimeshangaa sana, tutafanya nini?
Huyu mama ameteseka kwa kuwa shamba lake limekatika. Pia tumeona ndani ya nyumba kuna maji mingi ambayo yametokea pale. Pale nyumba pia ya nyumba kuna sehemu ambayo imekatika.
Hii mlima hii siku nyingine mvua ilinyesha ya nini ilikuwa ilino. Lakini mawe iliteremka mpaka hapa, mimi nilikuwa naishi hapa. Lakini saa hii mvua ikinyesha tena na tena hii imepasuka namna hii, sitaanza tena kupomoka huko juu na amise sisi. Si nataka hapa yote ipimwe, ionekane maji iko au aone kama atahamisa sisi hapa.
Nao atwarithia a nduthi nĩ marũrũnganĩte nginyagia nyũmba-inĩ ya kũiga mĩĩrĩ thibitarĩ-inĩ wa Embu makiuga marenda mwĩrĩ wa ũmwe wao ũrekererio kũrĩa arakuire kũrũmĩra mũtino wa barabara. Peter Mbũrũ arakuire kerĩ ga kiumia tarĩki 9 kiumia-inĩ gĩkĩ na nginya rĩu mwĩrĩ wake ndũrĩ ũratangĩkĩrwo. Atwarithia a nduthi makiuga mwĩrĩ wa mũtigairĩ ũthamirio thibitarĩ-inĩ ũngĩ.
Tuko na huzuni sana na tumeshinda hapa kutoka asubuhi saini saa 10 na tumeshinda hapa kutoka saa 12. Sisi kama Nduthi Culture tumesema saa hii tumewapea 30 minutes ama hapa hospitali ikue mbaya. 30 minutes ama hapa hospitali ikue mbaya.
Tumekuja leo huku Mog kuangalia mmoja wetu ambaye alipata accident jana na vile tulimuleta jana hadi wa leo mpaka saa hii hajakuwa ameshughulikiwa. Si tukasema kama sekta yetu ya bodaboda tukuje tutransfer mwili yetu tuipeleke pale kwa Kwegori, lakini saa kufika huku level 5 tunapata huku level 5 mambo tunapelekwa hivi kuzungushwa, hatuwataki kutupea mwili ya mtu wetu. Na sasa kutoka asubuhi mpaka saa hii tumekuwa hapa, OCS amekuja hapa hivi, wazazi wa kijana wetu walikubali postmortem isifanywe. Sasa wamekuja wamemconvince hapa, sijui ati afanywe postmortem. Wakili aliandika affidavit, mamake alikubali, imesainiwa na wataki kutupea mwili.
Ule daktari alikuwa pale, alikuwa anatusungusha hivi, alikuwa anajua mwili iwezi tolewa hapa bila postmortem ikiwa na OB, na hao wakatusungusha hivi ndio wakule pesa yetu. Sasa tunasema hivi, si kwanza tunataka pesa zetu na tunataka mwili, na wakifanyia postmortem tunataka hiyo figo wametoa. Juu wanataka kutoa figo na watoa hizo nini maburukenge. Sasa sisi tumesema hivi, wakifanya postmortem sisi tunaenda na mwili paka kotini direct.
So tukatumwadi huko kwa wakili tuende tuchukue affidavit ambayo ndio hii hapa. Tukaenda tukaandikwa affidavit na nikalipa ngiri 3. Akaeka hadi sign ndio hii hapa. Tukarudi tena hadi hapa mochari. Kukuja hapa tumekuwa like almost 6 hours hadi saa hii, lakini hakuna kitu yote inaendelea. Jeshi yangu hapa imechemka sana, inasema inataka mtu wao. Lakini maofisa wa polisi wamejifikisha hapa, wakakuja wakatuambia postmortem lazima ifanywe. Wale asimi najiuliza swali yangu ni postmortem inaweza fanywa aje na mama kijana alikataa postmortem ifanywe.
Nake gavana wa Mombasa Abdulswamad Nasir ni athanite gukorwo na mungururio wa kwita na cienderio cia njohi iria itari na marua kaunti-ini no kuringana na Nasir akiugite cienderio imwe cia njohi ni iraiga andu gwati-ini kuona maranywa njohi itari njega ona hanini.
For liquor boards across the country to have similar rules. Right now, different counties have different rules, and we would like someone to be sure about if I'm to open a business in Nairobi and another branch in Mombasa, I want to be sure we are working on the same sort of platform.
The bottom line for all of us here, all the stakeholders, is just to ensure that alcoholism or alcohol, not alcoholism, but alcohol drinks, sales, distribution and consumption is well regulated so that it doesn't become harmful. But as we support even the communities, ours is to make sure that it is regulated in a way that nobody is harmed.
Counties, we need to review our alcoholic drink acts because most of us, we are looking at this as a revenue. The issue is that these things should be a fund, and this fund should support things like rehabilitation, the community programs, and all that. So as we have this discussion, let us also discuss on how we can harmonize our alcoholic drink acts so that we move together because we are serving the same stakeholders.
So there's a huge backlog of people who are actually not even licensed. And if you look at the number of mosques, take all the mosques, all the churches, all the schools, private and public, combine them together, you actually have more bars than all of these institutions combined. I don't know whether that was done by design or by default, but that is the truth. It is where we are. So we need to be able to do what needs to be done. Otherwise, all the schools that we're building will be something that is, we're just doing it for nothing else except we're building something that is adding one and subtracting two does not help.
Now aikari arunyenje guku ni kaunti ya Embu mari na mwihoko wa ati waki wa barabara ya Kivwe ni gucenjia uthio wa mwena ucio na wonjoria ukoro kigashira na muno makiria guteithiriria arimi gukinya magetha mao thoko-ini. Bara no maugite makoretwo metereire ithondeko kuma wathani-ini wa Mugathe Muhuruku Mwai wa Gibaki.
Nafurahi sana kwa jinsi njia inatengenezwa. Hapo awali tumekuwa shida sana, matope. Yaani unapata gari kukwama kumaliza miguu juu ya ile kujaribu kukwamua gari. So tunashukuru sana serikali juu yani hadi cost ya mafuta ulikuwa unapata yani ukikwama ka distance kadogo gari inakunywa mafuta sana kabla ukwamue gari hapo.
Tumeshukuru sana kwa county government kutengenezea hii njia, na kama mimi kijana mdogo mwenye mnaona hivi naenda sokoni Kidhimu. Zile ng'ombe mnaona zimefungwa pale ndio nataka kwenda kupeleka Kidhimu. Kwa hivyo nimestore nyumbani hapa kwetu napeleka. Sasa ni gari nangojea kwa hiji mmetengeneza. Na nimeshukuru sana juu samani zilikuwa zinakaa huko, zinakuwa msee huko, zinakufia huko, hatukuwa tunafanya pesa yote nazo kutoka kwenda Kidhimu. Sisi tumeshukuru sana. Naona kutakuwa na maendeleo mingi juu hata wakaaji wa huku wameanza kujenga manyumba kando ya maparapara huku kwa mashamba zao. Kwa hivyo naona kuna faida kubwa sana saa hii.
Hii project imeleta job opportunities kwa ma youth ya kwa majenzi wenzangu. Naweza omba tu serikali iendelee tu na mwenendo huo.
Nigatho na icio ciĩgĩmaine na waki wa barabara kũrĩa mwena wa Embu igatwekanya uko twikiria oro hanini tuyuke matuka-ini ni turacokereria.
ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Landlord na landlady na tenant ni makubaliano, it's an agreement na you are bound by the terms of the agreement. Hiyo makubaliano yenyu mlikubaliana aje? Rent itakuwa inalipwa aje? Itakuwa inalipwa lini? Itakuwa inalipwa kwa account gani?
Been arrested by the police. Polisi boy wa traffic. He's just a police officer. Ni ahead to responsibility ya corona maondo ma traffic. No, there are so many departments you can report. Before gore muda kitu kia mbere etia copy ya title thikure kwa lands registry weke search but because you know to modern mako digital because search is online through sasa. Yeah.
For example, kama uko na kesi unafaa kuenda tarehe 3 hivyo na ukose kuenda, hapo koti na kutolea warrant. Kama hujatuma mtu, kama uko mgonjwa unafaa utume mtu, kama hujatuma mtu umenyamaza tu, koti itaonelea ni kama hauna shughuli, you are absconding court.
For example, sexual assault. Sexual assault toginya ikorwo ni gikokiu ya sexual. No gikorwo ni ugo waiga tumitugo tutari twega turatuma mundu ucio ngi atwike uncomfortable.
Nio muthenya wa kanaga kiumia thaa 2 nginya thaa 3 cia hwaini guku gwa Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Wagacoke ni turathane na wadatha ndiguthinjira.
Ni ndukunya cia tabarira yaku iria wendete ya gwiceka tuciongereire mwago niguo we na kuboeka muikare muraihaniriirie. #nya cia gukwagĩrithiria mithenya yaku. Monday ni #muthenya wa keri ni gutaukwo na kumenya ciĩgiĩ mũcani ũcio ũgũcanjamũraga thĩinĩ wa
#tumenye msanii
sana languages. Tukienda sasa hizi zingine za mathematics, sciences.
Naguo muthenya wa Wednesday ni
#kiundu kia mwanya oyatia.
Twagũtarĩria maũndũ ũtoĩ ũtarĩ waigua na marĩa ũĩ ũtoĩ gĩtũmi kĩamo.
Nĩ ũĩ rũĩ rũrĩa rũteng'eraga mũno thĩinĩ wa Afrika, nĩ ũĩ rũĩ rũrĩa rũteng'eraga thĩinĩ wa thĩ yothe.
Ramithi ni matene.
Matene, yani
matu maundu maria mahanikaga tene na marathie mariganĩire tugikuririkania niguo ndukariganĩrwo nimo.
Tikaguiga bita nikiwaria gĩtũitwa nyoni tataika nyone
nĩgwĩceka tabarĩra ĩrĩa ĩgũkinyagira o mũthenya kwambĩrĩria thaa 9 cia hwainĩ thĩinĩ wa Kiheo TV. Ũgĩterevoni waku ũtagũtiga kada iheo kĩhĩri MC Kĩheji wa Gĩtawa.
Hihi we murutwo ureketie form 4 kana muciari urethera mwana wake thukuru ndugatangike ringi kuona thukuru wa Wanjiru Technical College riu ni uragwitira intake guko arutani aitu ni makinyanire ikiro iria ciagirire na turutaga arutwo aitu na mashini cia kiriu na makaheo umenyo uria wagirire kuringana na kothi ciao. Kothi citu ni ta urugi niguo hospitality, uthaka ariguo cosmetology, umemerekia ari journalism and film production, engineering and construction, health sciences, barista training, ICT and artificial intelligence na thiomi naja ta German. Marihi maitũ mabacĩrĩre uwega gukinyiria gĩkĩro gĩothe kĩa mũrutwo. Tucerere umuthi Roysambu Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatandatũ kana no tuhũrĩre thimũ kugerera 0701 300 nĩyo 0701 300 071. Weheke mieke tanathira. Jewel Technical College, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom.
Are you ready? Because it's games time. Nĩ hĩndĩ ya mathako. Timu yaku ĩrĩa wendete mũno nĩ ĩrĩkũ? Cemanagia na athaki arĩa ngũthi na arĩa marĩ iheo. Ukireherwo ni Uncle G na Esther Shiko, athaki njorua akiri ndumo ya iharo-ini. Tabarĩra njerũ shua ĩrĩa ũrĩiguaga maũndũ onawe ũgakena. Nyitanagira na ithuĩ o mũthenya wa Jumamothi thaa 7 nginyagia thaa 9 thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ndumo ya iharo-ini gũkũ gwa Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Ewe ni wenderera we kawira kau gaku o investire miaka iyo yothe ri umuthi uyu ngoma angiariria turi anime moke magukua indo ciaku ungika atia kana ungiambirie kumacaria na miguu ta njege tatengera kuria gwa Kimuma engineering system umereme kuonia CCTV cia kamera iganirira muhuko waku. Oho ni makoragwo na electric fence materials razor wire cia green na cia silver. Ni makoragwo na access control system eira cia kuhinya fingerprint ugitonya, intruder alarm system, na no makoragwo na indo ciothe cia mwaki nginya fire extinguishers. Oho no makoragwo na solar panels na ni makoragwo nginya na ihingo automatic kuhinya ka remote oguo wira ni muingi tawa gutinda kung'ang'ana na ngeti. Ni mahetwo ngerenwa nyingi muno. Nduka ciao cikuria Nairobi CBD macamanĩrio-inĩ ma Kamae na Gaborone Road. Showroom yao ĩ hau Nyandarua House ground floor. Nduka yao ĩngĩ yao ĩrĩ kũu Nyandarua House second floor room 204. Nduka yao ĩngĩ harĩa Gaborone Plaza ground floor number G1. Na kwa kũrĩa Kasarani nĩ harĩa Max Plaza kũng'ethanĩra na Kasarani Police Station. Ona kana no macarie na thimũ 0793494949 kana 0793949494 kana 093595959. Gitĩra wĩra waku na CCTV cameras kuma Kimuma engineering system. Twaririe
tabarĩra ya kũrimũtha ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩgũkinyĩra o mũthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia wa kana thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ kinyagia thaa 7 cia mĩaraho rĩu yũkĩte na nditi nene mũno makĩria. Rĩu tabarĩra ya kũrimũtha ũgĩterevwo nĩ your number 1 microphone commander Kamau wa Waithera KW Kawa marĩ hamwe na women rep Susan wa Ngoro
atũthiĩte wega aste
ĩrĩ gũkinyagira kwambĩrĩria thaa 5 cia rũcinĩ kinyagia thaa 7 cia mĩaraho rĩu ĩrĩ na mwarahũko wa magegania mathaa merĩ ma rwĩmbo tu mwago ũtangĩtigĩka. Mwangaza wa Neno FM, ceceni ya redio ĩrĩa ĩrehagira ũmemerekia mũthuranĩre o mũthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia gatano. Tabarĩra ciĩhotanĩire kwambĩrĩria rũcinĩ kinya hwaĩ-inĩ thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ. Nyitanagira na Esther wa Matheg the Kingdom Lady thĩinĩ wa gĩthima rũcinĩ thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 ũkanyitanĩra na Celestine Waka the Favored One thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Shangwe. Igĩkinyĩria thaa 10 ũkaingĩra kĩberereki thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ngwatanĩro na Kamau wa Waithera KW mũgaterevana kinyagia thaa 2 cia ũtukũ. Nakuo kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia ũtukũ ukanyitanĩra na Susan wa Ngoro the women rep thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ikũmbĩ rĩa kĩgoco. Guru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving tũĩkaine nĩ kũruta matereva a gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ marĩ na ũigĩrĩrĩki mũnene barabara-inĩ. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving tũrutanaga ũtereva wa ikĩro ciothe. Class A nĩ ũtereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B ũtereva wa ngari nini, Class C ũtereva wa marori na Class D nĩ ũtereva wa ngari cia wa mũingĩ. Ũrutani witũ wa ũtereva nĩ wa kũrũmanĩrĩra na mũtaratara mwerũ wa NTSA na warĩkia kothi tũgagũteithĩrĩria kwĩgĩra na smart driving license. Nĩ ũndũ wa ũhoro makĩria ndũkamaĩrĩrie gũtũcerera wabici-inĩ citũ Rwesambu nyũmba-inĩ ya Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatano barabara-inĩ nene ya Thika Super Highway kũrigania na TRM, kana ũtũhũrĩre thimũ kũgerera 0703 164003 0703 164003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence.
Ririkana ni o muthenya wa Friday kwambia thaa 2 cia hwaini nginya thaa 5 cia utuku. Wanake wakundukayo tondu cia wone nyingi etiendaga kaga ya moyo. Wiritu wakundukayo tondu cia wone nyingi etiendaga kaga ya moyo.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Nĩngatho ntwarĩke gũcokereria thĩinĩ wa ikereka ritũ rĩa kerĩ na rĩa mũthia tũthiĩ nja wa bũrũri kũrĩa mũtongoria wa bũrũri ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto nĩ acerete mwena wa Finland kũrĩa magĩtenaga ikaro na mũtongoria wa mwena ũyũ Alexander Stubb na mamwe ma maũndũ marĩa makĩarĩrĩirie nĩ kũmatia ndũgũ ya mabũrũri maya merĩ ũkũria na gũthondeka mĩeke ya wonjoria.
This visit marks an important milestone in our bilateral relations. Kenya and Finland have enjoyed a strong and enduring friendship since the establishment of diplomatic relations in 1965. Our partnership is founded on shared values: democracy, sustainable development, peace, human dignity, and respect for the rule of law. Our engagement today reaffirms not only the strength of the relations between our two countries, but also our shared determination to build a future defined by innovation, sustainability, prosperity, and mutual progress. We are fully committed to ensuring their effective implementation. On multilateral cooperation and global development, Kenya and Finland reaffirmed our shared commitment to a rules-based international order and a fair, inclusive global financial system. I briefed President Stubb on the outcome of the Africa Forward Summit. We have further signed a memorandum of understanding on cooperation in the areas of circular economy, bioeconomy, and climate change. This partnership will strengthen collaboration in environmental sustainability, climate resilience, resource efficiency, and green growth while supporting our shared commitment to climate action and sustainable development. In addition, we agreed to deepen cooperation in health, including universal health coverage, maternal, child, and mental health, medical research, and the local manufacture of essential medical supplies and vaccines. And I also shared Kenya's ongoing efforts under Taifa Care to ensure accessible and affordable health care for all citizens. To
Na tugicoka na muciĩ thirikari nĩ yũrĩtio kũng'ethanĩra na kũhĩtana na indo itakinyanĩire ikĩro makĩria njohi na kũragĩtuĩka gĩcunjĩ kĩa 60% kĩa njohi ĩrĩa ĩrenderio mũingĩ nĩ njũru. Na kũringana na anyiti itemi nĩ makenete makĩria nĩ itua rĩa president rĩa kuga atĩ arĩ mũhari-inĩ wa mbere kũhĩtana na njohi njũragani.
So I'd like to talk about counterfeit and the impact we're seeing on our industry. Kenya has a very serious counterfeit issue. 60% of the products in this market are actually counterfeit. And as manufacturers, we're doing a lot to try and see how we can work with government and other stakeholders to ensure that this is reduced, because we're very much aware of the impact it has on public health and also the impact it has on our businesses. So you see a lot of activities coming from the industry in terms of stemming that counterfeit trade. With regards to the finance bill, we are largely concerned about one clause, which is the fact that the government wants to actually open up access to extra neutral alcohol to anybody who is not a manufacturer. What that means is that anybody can come in and buy the product, and that will actually, in our view, contribute to more illicit activity in the market. So we are engaging with the government. We've been having some consultations with the parliamentary team to ensure that they do not, or try not to, they mitigate that particular clause that has been included in the finance bill. I do definitely think that there is a lot of room for more policy development, and we were very encouraged by the fact that the president himself at the beginning of this year announced that he wanted to crack down on illicit. We believe that is a very positive step. There is a lot to be done to ensure that Kenyans are protected from a public health perspective as well as from manufacturing.
Na hau niho tuko tugikirira gatumo mohoro maitũ ma Kiheo Kabiru Thaa Mugwanja. Nĩ ngatho kũrĩ we na arĩa matigĩrĩra mohoro maya nĩ mokire na njĩra igwete mũtwathĩi na njĩra ya ciĩko auma Vivian Wangeci na nĩ njĩtagwo Wairimu wa Wanjiru. Gĩa na mĩaraho ĩhũirwo nĩ ndathimi cia Ngai.